continue with the class. So in the previous video we had seen about this introduction to WHO, what are the objectives of WHO and what are the membership, like how to become a member of this WHO. So in this video we'll continue the class. So we'll continue with the topic what I was taking like regarding WHO. So next is usually work of WHO. So what are the work of this WHO? So main work of this WHO, it is prevention of specific diseases. Okay, prevention and control of specific diseases. Okay, the main objectives of this is it is mainly prevention and control of specific diseases. Okay, so prevention and control of specific diseases. Then they'll carry out certain research work regarding like preparation of vaccines. What are the things that we have to do like for preparing vaccines, how the disease are spread, how the things that is usually done. So now presently you can see that WHO are running, like they are taking certain steps for the control of this coronavirus, which is usually happening in all over the world. Globally it is usually happening, which is a deadly virus which is like affecting large number of people all over the world, and many number of people are dying daily due to this. So the WHO has taken certain, they are taking certain steps like controlling the disease and prevention of the diseases. Like what are the steps that we have to take in order to control the virus, in order to prevent the spread of this virus. So all the things usually WHO is usually given. So same thing, like it is usually prevention and control of certain diseases. And next is like research work. They carry out certain research work. So now also you could have seen that many of the countries, they are taking steps for preparation of the vaccines. So they are conducting certain research to prepare the vaccine for reducing this deadly or killing this deadly virus completely, or destroying this deadly virus completely. So therefore they are starting with research work. Okay, they are starting with certain research work. So that is usually done. And next is that they concentrate on environmental health. Okay, they also concentrate on environmental health. They take in certain steps to prevent like how this environmental health can be maintained. Okay, because as I have told like beginning or all, I have told that the community health nursing not only concentrates on people's health, but it also concentrates on environmental health is also important for maintaining health. Okay, environmental health is also important for maintaining health, so therefore it also concentrates on environmental health. Okay, it also concentrates on environmental health. So that is usually there. And next, the last usually other work is that cooperation with other organization. Okay, cooperation with other organization. Okay, these are usually the work of WHO, that is prevention and control of specific diseases. And then prevention and control of specific diseases, research work, they carry out certain research work. And next is usually they concentrate on environmental health, and also they'll cooperate with other organization. So now like the WHO, which is taking organization from the like they are taking help from the other organization for improving or to prevent the diseases which is usually done. Okay, these are usually the work of this WHO. So next is structure of WHO. Structure of WHO, it is mainly has three structures. One is World Health Assembly. Next is usually the Executive Board, and the third is Secretariat. So this the structure of WHO, it is usually done like it is mainly has three structures. One is World Health Assembly, the other is the Executive Board, and the third is Secretariat. So what are the functions, what are the things that is usually done, or what are the things that they have to do, like WHO, or like the structure of this WHO they have to function is that the first is the World Health Assembly. Okay, the first is World Health Assembly. So this is usually the governing body of this WHO. Okay, this is governing body of WHO, where parliament is from all the nations. Okay, where parliament is from all the nations. So this is usually the governing body of the WHO, and the parliament is from all the nations. Okay, the parliament is from all the nations. So that is usually done. So this World Health Assembly, the governing body, it is the governing body, and the parliament, it is usually from all the nations. They usually conduct meeting every year. Okay, they usually conduct meeting every year, and this meeting will be there in the May, where they will be discussing regarding the health issues, regarding funds, regarding the steps that has been taken by all the countries to prevent and control the diseases. So all these things, to discuss all these things, they usually conduct a meeting. That is usually, this meeting is usually held in the month of May. Okay, that is usually held in the month of May, and the meeting will be the meeting will be conducted in the headquarters only. Okay, the meeting will be conducted in the headquarters only, that is in Geneva. So that is World Health Assembly. It is the first structure of WHO, where usually what is that? So it is the first structure of WHO, where it is the governing body of this WHO, and this parliament is from all the nations. Okay, parliament is from all the nations, and they usually conduct meeting every year. Okay, they usually conduct a meeting every year regarding discussing about the health issues, regarding the health benefits that has to be got to all the other nations, regarding funds, what are the steps that they can take in order to improve the health of the individual or health of the or whole country. So everything will be discussed in this meeting, and this will be in the month of May, and it will be conducted in the headquarters. So that is usually there, and this is usually what happens. The delegates for this usually will be there from the other representative countries. Okay, they will be from different respective countries. Okay, they will be from different respective countries. So that is usually about this World Health Assembly structure. So the World Health Assembly structure, it is usually seen that so this is the governing body of WHO. It is usually where parliament will be from all the nations. Meeting will be held in the month of May, and it is usually in the Geneva, and usually the members will be from the different respective countries. Okay, delegates will be from the different respective countries. So what are the functions of this WHO? World Health Assembly. Okay, what are the functions of this World Health Assembly? So they'll formulate health policies and programs. Okay, they formulate health policies and programs. So that is different health programs, are the international health programs, where we in our India we have different national health programs, right? So similarly here usually what happens, so they'll be having international health policies and programs. Okay, they usually formulate international health policies and programs, and also they'll be reviewing whatever the things that has been happened in the past year. Okay, they'll be reviewing whatever the things that has been happened in the past year. So that is usually will be reviewed, and next usually they'll be approving budget for the following year. Like in this meeting what they do, they'll like May they'll be having meetings, so till next May they usually what are the budget they require, so that they will be approving. Okay, so that they will be approving, and also they'll be electing the members. Okay, and also they'll be electing the members. Okay, so that is usually what happens. They'll be electing the members for the executive board. Okay, for the executive board, and that is usually this will be like this members will be elected for 3 years once. Okay, these members will be elected for 3 years once, so that they will be replacing the existing members. So they will be replacing it with the existing members. So these are usually the functions of this World Health Assembly. Okay, these are usually the functions of the World Health Assembly. So what are this? They will formulate international health policies and programs, and they will usually review the past year. Okay, they will be having a meeting regarding reviewing the past year, what are the things that has happened in the past year. So that is usually, and then they will be approving the budget for the next year, following year. Okay, they will be approving the budget for the following year, and next they will be appointing or electing the members. So these members of this executive board usually be elected for 3 years once, so that they will be appointing, and they will be replacing it with the new one. So that is usually about these functions of World Health Assembly. So next is the executive board. The next structure of this WHO, it is the executive board. So this executive board, it is usually has 18 members. Okay, this executive board usually has 18 members, which is usually been incremented, or this has been selected by 31 members of the Health Assembly. Okay, World Health Assembly. Okay, this is usually the executive board consists of 18 members. Executive board consists of 18 members, and this 18 members who have been elected in the executive board have been selected by the 31 members of the World Health Assembly. Okay, 31 members of the World Health Assembly. So the members who have been appointed, okay, that is 18 members who have been appointed, they should be qualified in the field of health only. Okay, they should be qualified in the field of health only, not like nothing like others. No, they will not be selected. So they should be a qualified worker of the health. Okay, they should be a qualified worker of the health, or they should have done their qualification related to health. Okay, they have done qualification in the field of health. Okay, they should have done qualification in the field of health. So that is usually to be done. And then 1/3 of the membership is usually renewed every year. Okay, 1/3 of this membership will be renewing every year. Okay, 1/3 of this membership will be renewed every year. Okay, they will be renewing this for every 1 year once. So that is usually about this thing. So this, and they also have certain meeting, and they will be having the meeting in the month of January as well as in the month of May. And in the month of May, that is whatever the meeting that they have to conduct, they will be conducting after the meeting of WHO, World Health Assembly. Okay, after the meeting of World Health Assembly. So that is usually about this thing. And the main function of this board is that they have to take immediate decisions. Okay, they have to take immediate decisions. So the function of this World Health executive board is that they have to take decision immediately. They have to take decisions immediately, like in case of emergency and disaster. Okay, in case of emergency and disaster, where immediately they have to take the decision. Okay, with that they have to take the decision. So this is usually about this executive board. So executive boards are usually, they will be having 18 members, and this will be selected or elected by the 31 members of the World Health Assembly, and this usually will, and these members will be renewed for every 1 year. Okay, they will be renewed for every 1 year, and these members who have been elected, they should be qualified in the field of health, and they should take decisions immediately in case of like emergency and disaster management. If it is at that time, they have to take immediate actions. So that is usually the main function of this executive board, and they also will have conduct meeting in the month of January and May, but this meeting will be conducted after the meeting of World Health Assembly. So remaining, we'll see in the next video.